feel like I'm walking on clouds. Need me a shorty, a bad little John, hold it down. I need me a Benz whip, strictly for the count. I need me a frozen chain with a golden mouth. You should've let me know that girl was your main chick. She started speaking Spanish, so I had to take it. Ay, I'm the realest nigga, face it. She would've left you anyways, cause you basic.
I would just like to acknowledge J&H
stepping up their game
for going off tonight.
Yo, we mad excited to. Yo, we're way too excited to eat right now. Like, this is the quickest I've ever got my plate together.
No,
to come
honestly,
in. Like,
honestly.
I take forever.
We know.
Yo, okay, God is great, God is good. And I'm thanking for this food. Amen.
Amen.
But we're about to go on stage for our tech rehearsal for the performance today.
I tried on the thing today, the jumpsuit too. I was there.
Oh, I didn't try mine on yet. Getting ready. I'm not gonna show her chest because she's not ready yet, but I'm gonna show her body. We getting ready.
It's over now.
Today is a new day. I just did my hair, like I literally just did. I still have some pieces to finish, but I decided to stop. But I'm about to go on a picnic with my friends. I'm making the peanut butter and jelly sandwiches now. The fruit is in the fridge. Kind of want it to be chilled, but yeah, I'm just getting ready to go. Just wanted y'all to see the preparation process, but I'm getting everything else ready now, and I'll see you guys when I get to the picnic, I guess.
Look at my picnic, guys. Isn't it beautiful?
At first I didn't think I brought my camera, but I actually did. And we're on our picnic right now. The food is basically gone. Well, not basically, but got some strawberries.
As much as 3 people can eat.
Right, as much as 3 people could actually eat. Hey. What? Hey.
I know the words to the chorus.
I don't think I know the words either. Send me on a record. This was supposed to be a date, but I'm gonna let it go.
Got a light-skinned friend, look like Michael Jackson. Got a dark-skinned friend, look like Michael Jackson.
Eating, chilling. I need more food because I'm still hungry and I'm not gonna eat this. I really just wanted French toast. I don't know why I didn't just get French toast. Guys, this is my first time I think I actually vlog with my hair like this, and that's a problem. I have a scratch on my nose. I just still fleeking.
Some new addition, some mini represent. Definitely set this party off right.
He's so light-skinned.
Oh wait. Robinson.
Anyway, yeah, I've been a bad vlogger. Lately, I just have not had any inspiration for content videos or vlogs. Like, I feel like my vlogs lately are boring.
Maybe your life is just boring.
My life's not boring. It's just my vlogs are because I'm not capturing the right moments. Like right now, this is a moment I'm eating with my friends. Capture moment. Starbucks. And there's Mal, who's about to help me with this project real quick. Look at him, looking all fly. With his camo jacket, his Adidas pants, his jacket.
I know I said I wanted to keep this casual, but I'm a human being. You can send me a good morning text. You can ask me how I'm doing. You can ask me, did I wake up today? I'm a human being. I'm a human being. I know I said our feelings don't have to be attached, but come on, like, don't you hit your bros up, text them how they doing?
Look at the bell tower, y'all. It's so mixy. I don't like this. You heard me say that We actually walked outside and looked at the different rocks. Like we stopped outside and we were like, okay, let's identify this rock. Like whether it was igneous or sedimentary. That's just...
You say you want make love to the best time, oh, you tell me say you don't want waste time, oh, you say them other girls have to stand in line, oh, you tell me say they go watch where we slow wine, oh, oh, you say you want take control.
Today is Friday. It's gonna be a good day. I know it is because it's like a good 72 degrees outside right now, and you know what that means. It's pop out season. I'm wearing a dress. You know, hold up. Show off the fit. I'm wearing this green dress with these Adidas. Yeah, I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. I'm at the beauty supply store with Britt. It's pop out day. Guys, look at these glasses. I'm gonna call these the Mel glasses, but I think they look crazy on me. Did you hear about that barbecue, that pop-up cookout? I am, but I was talking to you. See, these look crazy on me, right, y'all? My face is too small. It's too small for these. What? What it is? These are huge on me. Just a regular. Too big? Yeah, still too big. I don't know, my face is just too small for glasses, y'all. Got a nice selection. Ooh, cute. Well, no. You do y'all see what I gotta do with this? I hope y'all hear what she's going through right now.
I just do it, I don't like the talking. I don't care about what the cost is. Hey, I let it rock like a guitar pick.